Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn and today I have one of several unboxing videos that I'm sitting down to record, and actually was really excited to pick up a few of, well, more than a few of the Hero Arts card kits that are exclusive to Joann's. So it's really wonderful. I think they've been doing this for about a year or so now. And these I think are, I don't know if they are in every Joann store, but I got them just right off of Joann.com. So not sure if it's just online or if it is actually in the physical retail store, but occasionally I'm on the Joann website just shopping for deals, and I've noticed that in the last week or so, the prices on these kits have been fluctuating back and forth. At their normal price, it's about $60 to $70 in value in terms of what you get. And then what they sell it for usually is about half that. So somewhere around $30 to $35. So that right there is already a fantastic deal. All of the kits that I will have unboxings for it just seemed rather random, but they were marked down anywhere from $11.99 to $15.99. So I scooped up all of the ones that were on kind of super sale. This one, it doesn't say, I've been looking as I've been talking, oh, here it is. This is from January of 2023. So I know that I purchased November 22, December 22, January 23, and even February 23 was discounted. So what do you get? You get, in this one anyhow, it's all cut down so that it fits into a nice small kind of a little zip sealed baggie here. So these cardstocks are 5.5 by 8.5, so essentially half of a US letter sheet. And in this kit, we are getting 3 different shades of kind of pinks and reds, and then 2 sheets of watercolor cardstock. And this is pretty smooth watercolor cardstock as well. And this cardstock is really thick. I'm guessing it's 100 pound, if not more, maybe 110. So really nice. I mean, these could be the solid color cardstocks here. These could be card bases easily. Just score if you want a colored card base. These would work very well for that. So if you're counting full sheets of paper, then it's four total sheets, one being watercolor and then 3 in solid color, and it is a solid core cardstock. So you have that conveniently already cut down. If you do want to use these as card bases, all you would need to do is score them in half. Then we get, and I think this is rather standard, is that you get a 4x6 stamp set in these kits. And this one was the January kit, so, they were kind of preparing things in advance of Valentine's Day. So they've got this beautiful set here, which does have a Happy Valentine's Day sentiment, but it's got 2 others that are very general purpose, because I think these flowers, which are peonies, can be used really for any occasion. You could use these as a sympathy card too. I think the florals are just really nice. But you do have thank you and hello love. And you get the frame cuts or the coordinating dies to cut that out. So you've got the whole kind of floral spray here and the outline die for that. And then there are 3 individual dies for the 3 individual stamps. So there's that. And then what I found in these kits is that there's usually a background stamp or something that will help you to create a background. And in this case, I was really happy to see this. It's actually a cover plate. And so you get a nice die that is probably USA 2 in size, so just smaller than USA 2. Because, so let's see if it actually says the size on this. But it's great because it's got the XOXO pattern, and I think you can obviously kind of use the negative and the positive, or maybe even do some die cut inlaying back in, and that's going to be a really nice pattern. Again, I think it can be used for any occasion, really. It's just hugs and kisses, so I love that. And also typical for these kits. So I mean, it's just such a great bargain, even at the regular price that Joann sells it. But when I saw it drop down to anywhere from $11 to something like $15-16, I mean, it's kind of a can't pass it up deal. But you also get some media, is what I've seen generally with these kits. So here we have 3 different ink cubes. These are Hero Hues Reactive inks in 3 different colors. So we have Fruit Punch, Green Apple, and Taffy. I think I might have Taffy already. So anything that I have that ends up being a duplicate, I'll just set that aside for a future giveaway. And then I haven't tried this before, but we also have a Hero Arts pearls. So I think if I'm understanding correctly, this might be something like a Nuvo drop that's pearlescent. I haven't ever tried their pearls before, so that is what I am assuming, but I could be wrong. So let me see. I like that they did kind of package it separately in case something spilled. Yeah, add pearlescent dimension accents to your crafts. So really, yeah, really nice find. Oh, it's already coming out, some of it. So so I think that'll be fun to kind of play with that. And oh yeah, oh, that's got some really nice shine to it. Wonderful. So I think there must have been some pressure built up in there. It just started coming out. So that is the January 2023 Hero Arts kit, and exclusive to Joann's, and it's nice. They have a lot of card samples, and I know that I think last year, Cards and Coffee Time with Tina Smith, she did videos and unboxings and card making videos, and I think this year it looks like I think it's Mindy Egan. She's been doing them, so I think it's awesome. So if you're looking for more inspiration, you can always go onto YouTube and find some card making videos. But just what comes in the kit already does have like a lot of really nice inspirations, and then even step-by-step instructions for the one specific card. So stay tuned. There will be in total, I bought 4 kits. Actually, I bought 5, but one of them was out of stock, so so they canceled that one. But when I craft with this kit, I will be sure to link to it at the end of this one. And if I don't remember to do that, then I will put them all into a Hero Arts playlist so that it's all in one place and easy to find. Thanks so much for joining me today. Until next time, happy crafting and have a fantastic day. Bye.